If you clicked on this video, you likely know who Cheech and Chong are. This is Tommy Chong. He's also known for That 70's Show. My buddy Randall, who's a chef, asked if I could come along and shoot the Cooking with Cannabis series they have going on today.
But it's got some Labrador in it.
What's Labrador?
It's dog shit.
What?
If you were expecting class, you probably should click on a different video.
My mama talking to me, trying to tell me how to live. But I don't listen to her cause my head is like a sieve. My daddy, he disowned me cause I wear my sister's clothes. He caught me in the bathroom with a pair of pantyhose.
Oh, wow.
You gotta stand a little farther
Whoa!
back, and you can really notice it.
What an acid trip, I swear. Yeah, just the intensity is just to have it like flux up and down, and then it. And believe me, kids, I've done lots of that. But that was back in my middle school days, 20 years ago. Don't do drugs, kids. Ever since I saw Up in Smoke when I was 8 years old, I've always wanted to meet Tommy Chong. Not only that, but we're eating a bunch of like properly cooked gourmet food infused with cannabis, various types. I can already feel that CBD. It's right over there. Check it out. I'm just shooting B-roll at the moment.
Up in smoke, that's where my money goes. In my lungs, and sometimes up my nose. When troubled times begin.
You really still with us on Green Tours USA, Green Tours LA, yeah.
So it's street corn pizza.
So street corn?
Street corn pizza.
Is it cannabis butter?
Cream of corn.
Okay. And so this is actually cooked with cannabis, right?
It has 15 milligrams. The whole pizza has 15 milligrams of CBD. So
Okay.
each slice has around 2.5 milligrams of CBD.
All right, let's see how this tastes. I'm excited. Down the hatch.
Yeah.
What do we have here?
We have a sausage, shrimp, bacon gumbo.
Mmm,
It's been cooking since yesterday. It's
wonderful.
so good.
And so what's your
We're the
restaurant?
first restaurant in America to infuse the CBD inside the restaurant.
Or Wing King, yeah, W-I-N-G-K-I-N-G. It's kind of loud in here, so just to be sure.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you
That's
so
right.
much.
And it always comes up squeaky.
You can call me old-fashioned if you like, but if you had told me that I was going to be eating someone's Winky by the end of the night, I don't think I would have believed you. The raffle came up next, and my ticket was one number off every single time. This girl won twice, though. If you made it this far, thank you for checking out the video. Definitely check back in for 420 this weekend. If you thought this one was cool, you're not going to want to miss that one. Trust me.